Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Apple Park Library. Welcome to Mini Melodies, our story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. Today's story time is all about change, which I thought would be good because with the way this year has been, there's been a whole lot of change, especially for the kiddos. So make sure that you take out your lesson plans and you follow along. Our first song is Make New Friends. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. Circles round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, let's go again. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other's gold. Circles round, it has no end. That's how long I want to be your friend. Okay, our next song is called Out with the Old and In with the New, just to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb. Here we go. This year's drawing to an end, to an end, to an end. This year's drawing to an end. Soon we'll start anew. This year's drawing to an end, to an end, to an end. This year's drawing to an end. Soon we'll start anew. Out with the old, in with the new, in with the new, in with the new. Out with the old, in with the new. January 1 is fun. Okay, let's go again. This year's drawing to an end, to an end, to an end. This year's drawing to an end. Soon we'll start anew. This year's drawing to an end, to an end, to an end. This year's drawing to an end. Soon we'll start anew. Out with the old, in with the new, in with the new, in with the new. Out with the old, in with the new. January 1 is fun. So our craft this week that you can come pick up are little star wands. It'll be really fun to wave around when the ball drops for the new year. So make sure that you come pick up our kits if you want to make that. Okay, so our first book is called The Stars Will Still Shine by Cynthia Rylant. This new year, the sky will still be there. The stars will still shine. Birds will fly over us. Church bells will chime. Cows will have calves. Kittens will sleep. Flowers will bloom, a promise they keep. We shall have peaches, we shall have pie. We shall have ice cream, 3 scoops high. Homes will be cozy, homes will be warm. We'll curl up together when rain makes a storm. And in this new year, love will be strong. Growing and growing all the days long. There will be goodness. There will be grace. There will be light in every dark place. The sky will still be there. The stars will still shine. Birds will fly over us. Church bells will chime. Okay, so next we have a poem called Changes. You can change your face from a smile to a frown. You can change your voice from very high to very low. Changes everywhere. But if you sit and stare, you stay the same. Change. Okay, let's go again. You can change your face from a smile to a frown. You can change your voice from very high to very low. Changes everywhere, but if you sit and stare, you stay the same. Change. Sometimes change can be a good thing. Okay, so our next book is called Tomorrow, Most Likely by Dave Eggers. Tomorrow, most likely. Tomorrow, most likely, there will be a sky, and chances are it will be blue. Tomorrow, most likely, there will be a squirrel, and chances are his name is Stu. Tomorrow, most likely, there will be a meal, and chances are it will be brown. Tomorrow, most likely, there will be a door that leads to the world, where people are found. Tomorrow, most likely, there will come a song through the half-open window of a slow-moving car. Tomorrow, most likely, there will be a plane flying high and white and fast and far. Tomorrow, most likely. Something won't rhyme. Tomorrow, most likely, you'll touch a bright bug, green and red, and looking at you. Tomorrow, most likely, the bug will seem worried. He's missing a friend. His friend's name is Stu. Tomorrow, most likely, you'll smell the good smell of an unseen flower you can't quite name. Tomorrow, most likely, you'll pick up a stone, striped like a spider web, or maybe a brain. Tomorrow, most likely, you'll see something strange. You'll hear something odd. You'll touch something gooey. You'll meet Cousin Todd. You might ride a whale. You could eat a cloud. You might write a song and sing it too loud. There are mountains of time and oceans of faces, canyons of color and skies full of places. Tomorrow, most likely, will be a great day because you are in it. And Stu is okay. It's important to make sure that Stu, the squirrel, is okay. Okay, so our last song is Auld Lang Syne. Here we go. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? That's really high, isn't it? Try a little lower. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of Auld Lang Syne? For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll make a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. Okay, let's go again. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of Auld Lang Syne? For days of Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for days of Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for days of Auld Lang Syne. So, I wish everybody a happy new year. Thanks so much for watching Mini Melodies so far, and I look forward to seeing you guys in January. Bye now.